Dapalat hajarngut ki samla puli napo ke skul ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya lani USTM bat ka Regional Institute of Science and Technology ka RIST Khanapara kentup nadu ki kintei bat shinrang ki ba puli ha ki tnat ba pher kila sange bantho ka exam ka ba mata sngi ha ki subject ba pher kum kadak ka jing persha ka bajur halor ka jing le don bor ka sarkar NDA bat ban persha juru ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill lani ka CAB ka baladeb ban pas hapo ka Lok Sabha bat raru mentah hapo ka Rajya Sabha kita ki samla kilami pai ba nadu ka por nyobaji men step ban penpau ka jing persha ka bajur ya ka CAB ka badai ka an yak cakor ka batmu ban kuduplang ya ki poi ban long kum kinong song snong bapura kari India war hapdeng ka jing persha ka bajur bat ka jing ya stam hakaleng ki jaka jong ka than chate lam ingi kita ki samla kila pelong ru ya ka jing ya pai ba nadu ka pelau jong ka USTM bat RIST da ka jing tmu ban litur sepo sekretariat jong ka Assam man pertas laru rengkat ki jing penramjur ya ki menteri ki balashet kela bat ki badon kti ban wanra ban thau yak an jong ka CAB ka badai ka an yak jakor ka bakta sikade ki pai ba ka than chate lam ingi Henry kini ki samla puli kila syakhang lentino hajan ka college jong ka veterinary Khanapara haki pulit jong ka Assam kita ki samla puli ka USTM bat res kila penpauru ya ka jing persya bat penramjur ya menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma kumjuru ya ka MP ketua parliamentary seat ka Agatha sangma kumju ya uba Sanbor Sulai MLA ke BJP ki balakela jutang nyakapor sekapor bat ki deru ki nokshet kela ya ka jela bat ki ba babun balang baru ya ka sarkar NDA hapok ka jingalam Narendra Modi kumjuru hakani kasngi ka jingmi pai ba ki samla puli la sakhiru ya ka jingi simenta daki dekhot ka KSU bat borok ki samla puli jong ka than chatai lamingi ki balami renti ban penpau ya ka jing persya ka bajur ya ka tegaan
BJP go back. BJP go back. Ujjum murdabat. BJP go back. Bamanna lage. Na lage. Baminna mano.
아천 정거 허이는
And actually it is defaming the Assam Accord which has been signed, and also the Northeast is united we are opposing the cap. And actually it is defaming our constitution, it is defaming, it is violating our secularism. So here everyone from Northeast, we came out here to protest against cap. Thank you.
Attack the cap who oppose cap. So the indigenous people of Tripura are being attacked by the so-called Bangladeshis. So we won't let that happen here in Assam or in Meghalaya or in other states of Northeast. So in order to get rid of that, we have to oppose cap, and I request everyone to come to the streets and join us protest against this heinous bill. Thank you.
What further step you will take from here?
So today we have planned to march to Khanapara. From there, I think we will surround the secretariat, Assam secretariat. So that is our plan for today. And if this bill passes, then we'll take further more actions.
First question will be, how will it affect the economy of Northeast? See, we the students of Northeast, not just the students of Northeast, about India. We know the population how is affecting our economy. And even after passing this cap, when more, so 40 lakhs, 80 lakhs, so many of the Bangladeshis will come to here in Northeast. It will affect the students' lifestyle. It will affect the economy of Northeast so much that we can't even imagine. Is it like BJP is thinking about the religious plus the political thing? Religious and political thing is affecting the students' lifestyle indirectly. So that's the worst part happening with this cap thing. That's why we oppose cap. The main thing is that it will affect the economy of Northeast very much.
Religion they have, we don't care if they are atheists also. What we are against of the illegal immigrants that are going to come in our place, who are going to snatch our job, who are going to snatch our food, who are going to snatch our natural resources. Kene galong jikar pat e barok kina kasi samla bakina mi sikmat bakane kadang dai kapor kapabyang mengin peni jing tali yang namda kajai bereu ladang mi menta kajai bereu jing kan dan hapne jing ma ka bakrau ha.
And about recent UST means about uniting, unite. We are united today. It's not about just one state here. We are here, 7 states are here. We are protesting against cap. This is the best thing we are having this in USTM and RIST. All the tribes, all the castes, all the religion, that doesn't matter. It's about uniting together, and that's what is happening in this college. That's the thing that matters, and the government should know this, and the government should know this thing. Okay.
Man kita ginong stand yelede lam ye hi wi nyep ki pinda ki dem hewan hi boy chuan chuan le
Kajing ki